Did you know you can build a completely automated affiliate marketing system that's going to be making you around $220 per day if you are going to start right now, and you are going to set it up exactly how I'm going to show you using just ChatGPT and like 2 other websites that I'm going to show you in today's video. And if you are going to set it up right now, it's going to be making you just a couple of dollars at the beginning, but I'm going to share with you a website that's going to allow you in one click generate so much free traffic from Google search that in just a couple of weeks you can scale this into a full-time online income. Now for this, you don't have to have any skills or previous experience. All you have to do is just follow exactly what I'm going to show you in this video, because I'm going to show you how you can access unlimited ChatGPT prompts that are going to make this method very easy to follow, so you don't have to do any thinking yourself. All you gotta do is just set it up, let it work for yourself, and it's going to be printing you money even in your sleep. Oh, and the best part about this method is you don't have to record any videos yourself, you don't have to show your face on camera, and you don't even have to have your own website. Also guys, I'm looking for 5 serious action takers who would like to join my one-on-one coaching program, where I'm going to be teaching you exactly how I'm making over $12,000 per month with completely done for you affiliate marketing system and without spending a single cent for traffic. So if you want to apply for one of the 5 free spots that I have decided to open, just go to the first pinned comment right below this video, check out a short introduction that I have prepared for you, then just go ahead and fill out a short application form so I can actually verify that you are going to be a right fit for this program. And after that, I'm hoping to see you in the free one-on-one interaction call with me personally, where I'm going to be welcoming you to the program. So just go ahead, check out the first pinned comment right below this video, and I'm looking forward to seeing you inside. Alright, so the first step, go to ChatGPT and you want to grab yourself a ChatGPT 4 version, which is not free, but it's going to be very well worth it if you are going to spend a couple of dollars for this. Or if you don't want to be spending any money on this method, you can just pretty much use the old school 3.5 version, which is going to be working pretty much exactly the same, although the quality of the content may not be up to the standards that I'm going to show you in today's video. So just make sure you are going to pick the version that you're comfortable with going, and from there it's just pretty much easy to follow what I'm going to show you. Then hop over to Google, and what you want to search for is ChatGPT marketing prompts. Hit search on that, and pretty much you can just browse through these websites that are going to be promoting all these different marketing prompts for ChatGPT, and you want to find a bunch of these that you want to go with. Now I myself personally am using this Sintra over 2000 ultimate ChatGPT marketing prompts that are just pretty much very easy to copy and paste, and I'm going to show you how exactly to use these types of prompts to make money on the internet. Now this is not going to be any secret sauce to this, pretty much these are just prompts generated specifically for ChatGPT. For example, if you're going to go to this generation content ideas, you can see that this is just a collection of very simple prompts that somebody else has created and tested with ChatGPT, and they prove to be working very well. And the only difference in using these prompts and generating your own is this is going to save you a lot of time and a lot of effort, because you don't have to go thinking about this. All you can do is just pretty much just go ahead and copy and paste these, and you are going to get generated high quality content, and you are going to get the best answers from ChatGPT, because these prompts are specifically working with the way ChatGPT is designed. So just go ahead, either use some of these prompts that you can find for free on Google, or if you want, you can just go ahead and search for this one right here. And although it's going to cost you a couple of dollars, if you are going to be serious about making money online in the long run, I highly suggest that you are going to grab yourself a copy of this, because you can see there's literally prompts for everything, and you can outsource most of the hard work to ChatGPT, so you can just pretty much kick back, copy and paste, and collect the money. Now for this method, I'm going to also give you the exact niche that you may want to use for this. So if you're going to set this up right now, it's going to be making you over $200 per day in just a couple of weeks, because if you are going to do a quick Google search, you can see that summer is in 185 days, which is almost half a year away. But the thing is, people are going to be looking for summer vacations right now. And actually in this method, I'm going to focus on monetizing the traffic that you are going to get on Google search from all of these people that are looking to get the best options for their summer vacation. And actually they are going to be looking for the best possible way to book a summer vacation, and also for a bunch of discounts that you can offer and monetize on. So the first thing, I'm going to scroll all the way down to the affiliate marketing prompts, and as you can see right here on this website, there are many categories that you can use to make money. But in this exact method, I'm going to be focusing on affiliate marketing, because for this method I'm not going to be showing my face anywhere, not recording any content, not using any social media at all, and most of the work is going to be done by ChatGPT using these exact prompts. So I'm going to go to this developing new offers section, and as you can see right here, you are going to get a bunch of prompts that are specifically designed to give you a couple of ideas for some product and for the target audience that you can promote it to. Now I'm going to use the prompt that's right here at the tab, and it's going to read what are some products or services that will appeal to a specific demographic who are interested in interest. So pretty much I'm going to copy it and paste it to ChatGPT, and because I have customized it already for the niche that I have picked, I'm going with something like this. What are some product ideas that would appeal to people searching for summer vacation on Google who are interested in making vacation cheaper? So just click the magic button and let ChatGPT get to work, and right here you get generated bunch of ideas that you can monetize from this exact traffic, from this exact demographic that's suggested by ChatGPT. And because you have already generated this first part of the article in this exact chat box, you can design the entire method because ChatGPT is already going to know that you are searching for something related to the niche. So let's see what we've got here. And first of all, you can see right at the top you've got budget travel planner app, and this one's actually pretty easy to monetize because most of the apps out there do have an affiliate program that is going to pay you some amount of money if you are going to refer them to the relevant audience. So for example, let's go with this one right here. I'm just going to copy the first one and I'm going to go to the prompt bar and I'm going to type in there, can you give me 10 exact recommendations for budget travel planner apps that I can promote as an affiliate? Press the send button again, and as you can see right here, ChatGPT is going to go to work. And it's going to give you all these recommendations in a matter of seconds. So you don't have to go searching on Google for all of these apps that you want to promote. And that's the magic of this part, because you've got these recommendations. All you gotta do then is just go ahead and sign up to each, get your affiliate link, and start promoting it. So some of the websites that I have decided to go with for this method recommended by ChatGPT are tripit.com, which is pretty much like a travel planning app that's going to help travelers in different countries put together a travel plan. For example, if they want to see many places in the same day or pretty much don't know how to navigate in the said country, this app is going to be helping them solve that issue. Another great choice is booking.com, because if you are going to go on a vacation, you are definitely going to look for a place to stay, and this is one of the most famous websites or apps out there that's going to be solving this issue, and definitely people are going to be looking for places to stay. So if you can recommend them some app that's going to help them solve this, you can make some money doing it as well. Now the third app that I have decided to go with is hushed.com, which is going to allow you to purchase a foreign phone number without having to actually purchase a physical SIM card. And actually I've been using Hushed to get different phone numbers for different countries. For example, if I'm signing to a different applications and they require a specific country's phone number, for as little as a couple of dollars you can purchase a phone number that's going to be installed in your app, and you can use it as well. And it's definitely worth checking it out if you are going to be traveling abroad and you don't want to be spending money on your plan, especially if you're going to be traveling to a different location that's not covered under your phone plan. For example, if you're traveling from the US to Australia or to Europe or pretty much anywhere else in the world, you can purchase a phone number for a couple of dollars and you don't have to go spending money from your plan. So this is definitely something that I'm going to be checking out, and because they do have an affiliate program as well, this is going to be exactly the 3 apps that I'm going to show you how to do it in this method. And pretty much keep in mind, guys, you can go for as many recommendations as you can find on ChatGPT, but I don't want you to overdo it, because that way you are going to make this too crowded with affiliate links and people really don't want that. You want to just give them like 3 or 4 recommendations. So that's why I have decided to go with these 3 apps. Now for the next step, go back to ChatGPT, go to the prompt bar, and I'm going to ask it to write a detailed blog article showcasing how to plan a summer vacation in advance. And also I'm going to include a sentence that's going to put into the article the need for the apps that I'm going to be promoting in it. And I'm also going to include in there a sentence that's going to showcase the importance of the apps that I have decided to promote using this article. So just go for as many apps as you want, but make sure to include it in the ChatGPT request. Then just hit the magic button one more time, and just like that, ChatGPT is going to generate something like this. Now pretty much once you're going to have an article just like this generated, you want to make sure it's going to have at least some length, so people are going to actually read it and get some value from it, because the way affiliate marketing works is you are going to provide some value first for free and then offer something that people can purchase, and that's where you are going to make some money. So pretty much what I'm going to do with this article is I'm going to copy it, then just hop over to Google Docs and paste it in there. Now pretty much what you want to do now is customize it a little bit. For example, like make the headlines a little bit larger and bolder, and you can do that very easily in Google Docs, so you don't have to do it later. So it's going to look something like this. Now what you want to do is go ahead and grab your affiliate link from every single website that you are going to be promoting using this article. Most of these websites do have a specific way how to get the affiliate link. All you gotta do is just pretty much sign up to the website, then just navigate to the affiliate section, and you want to join the affiliate program and get your affiliate link. what you want to do then is just go ahead and include a sentence just like this somewhere in the article where it's going to be relevant. For example, I'm going to be promoting this TripIt app that's going to help people plan their traveling schedule on their vacation. So I'm just going to include it in the first part where it says trip planning. Then I'm just going to highlight it and embed it with my own affiliate link. Also, if you want, you can just make it a little bit larger so it's going to stand out a little bit more, but make sure you are going to adjust the remaining part of the article so it's not going to be standing out too much. And then you want to do this process for the next 2 apps just as well. So that's pretty much it. I have included all 3 affiliate links in this article, and now it's time to start promoting it. Pretty much if you are going to be promoting articles just like this, that's going to be embedded with your affiliate link. You need to make sure that the affiliate links are going to stay active, because otherwise this is not going to work. So what you want to do then is just pretty much copy this entire article, and then you just want to go to a website, for example like slideshare.net, and upload it in there so it's going to be available to everybody on the internet. Or if you don't like using SlideShare, you can go for example to medium.com, which is in my opinion the better option, because Medium is getting over 154 million monthly views. Just people coming to the website every single month, and there's high chance that some of them are going to be looking exactly for an article just like yours. By the way guys, this analysis tool that I'm using right now is called similarweb.com, so if you want to be doing research just like this, just go ahead and use SimilarWeb as well, because that way you are going to get the best chance of making this work if you are going to do your own research. So pretty much just go to Medium, sign up for your free account, and then you just want to click on Write, and then you just want to paste your article in there. Now I'm going to make double sure that all the sentences are embedded with my affiliate links, so this is actually going to be making me money. And because Medium is not going to disable your affiliate links, it's one of the best options to go with this method. So once you're going to get an article just like this on Medium, all you gotta do is just publish it, so it's going to go live and it's going to start getting traffic. Now because getting traffic to an article just like this is going to take quite some time, now I'm going to share with you a one-click website that's going to make this process a lot easier if you are going to be doing this every couple of days. All you want to do now is just pretty much click on share right here, and you want to copy the link to your article, and you want to go to internetindexer.com. I'm just going to share this website for a couple of seconds, so just the people who are going to watch the entire video are going to know this secret hack. So just pay attention, because I'm going to show it to you just for a second one more time. It's internetindexer.com, and you want to go to this website. Once you're going to come to this website that I have just shared with you, what you want to do is just scroll all the way down here, and you want to click on Backlink Maker. Click on Backlink Maker and then just paste the link to your article right here, just like that. Make sure to complete the CAPTCHA verification, and then you just want to submit. Now pretty much what this website is going to do is going to generate backlinks to your article, to your website, or pretty much to any link that you are going to paste in there, and this is going to highly increase the chance that it's going to be picked up by the Google algorithm, and it's going to be shown to people who are interested in this exact topic. So every time somebody is going to search for this topic on Google, this website is going to hugely increase the chance that they are going to find your article. And because you have embedded with your own affiliate links, you are going to get thousands of views to a simple article just like this that took me like 3 minutes to generate on ChatGPT, and it's actually going to be making you money. Now remember guys, you can do this for any niche out there. All you gotta do is just go ahead and generate an article on ChatGPT on some topic, embed it with your affiliate links for whatever you are going to be promoting, paste it to some website that's going to be available to everybody, and build backlink to it, and it's going to be working on complete autopilot. So that's it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you want to see some more money making videos, check out this one right here. That's going to show you a completely different way how to make money online. So just click on it, and I'm going to see you there.